The IsaMill is a grinding machine that is used to grind finer particles from around 200 micron down to around 10 micron. It was developed at Mount Isa, and we now have over 100 IsaMills located throughout the world. The media is what grinds the particles, and it's rotating inside the mill like a fluid bed. The main challenge was for us to develop a method of measuring the media level inside the IsaMill. CSIRO had done some work at one of our mines, MacArthur River Mine, with their acoustic equipment monitoring analyser, and they came to us and they showed us some of the work that they'd done. So we asked CSIRO, can you actually use the analyser to measure the media inside the mill, to take the sound waves and measure the position of media inside the mill. The acoustic equipment analyser sits on side of the IsaMill, and it's located at specific points alongside the mill. And there are 9 analysers that measure the sound that's coming from inside the mill. And because we can't see it, we needed a way of actually determining where it was. The ultimate plan for us to use this equipment is to reduce costs, reduce power consumption, to also reduce maintenance costs. By having the media spread through the mill, we'll reduce the wear of components, and we'll also improve availability of the mill, so we'll enable it to run for longer periods of time. But also, longer term, we intend to use it to help us to look at the wear inside the mill, advising us on when the mill should be shut down for maintenance. We do know that it has potential to be used in the coal industry, monitoring cyclones and other things, so it does have potential in other areas. If we hadn't have had this project working with CSIRO, then we would still be putting our ear to the side of the mill at different locations and trying to listen to the sound, which obviously is nowhere near as good as actually having equipment measuring it, and you can actually monitor the level of the sound. So CSIRO work really well with us. They're a very talented team. They're a very important company for Australia. We're also working with them on a number of other projects as well. So we have a really good relationship with them, and I think it's very, very critical for them to be involved in helping Australian industry develop.